back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Greek salad dressing. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Now, if you haven't seen it already, make sure to go check out my Greek orzo salad recipe video. That's what we're going to be using our dressing on today. It's going to be super delicious. Now, this salad dressing is easy, delicious, and free of any processed ingredients, unlike the ones that you'll see at the grocery store. You're definitely going to want to avoid artificial flavors, emulsifiers, and thickeners, which can be pretty tough because most of them out there are going to have those, and the organic options are going to be more expensive, but that's what I'm here for. So we're going to make it right here at home, really, really simple and easy to do. Now, I know it might look like a lot here, but I promise you it's easy, simple, really quick, and you'll thank me for it later. Now, it also is going to look like a lot because I kind of have all of the ingredients out and measured, so don't be discouraged. Now, don't think that you can only use this dressing on the pasta salad. You can use this on Greek salad, you can use this on any other salad that you want. It doesn't really matter. Now, before we get started, I do have a couple tips here for you. So tip number one, don't be discouraged if you see your vinegar kind of settling at the bottom. This is completely normal, that's just going to happen. Now, what I recommend is either putting this in a jar that you can shake up, or I usually just use a little baby whisk and just do it that way and make sure everything is nice and well blended and emulsified before I go and pour everything over the salad. Tip number two, if you don't have red wine vinegar, white will work perfectly fine. Now, this is going to yield 1 cup of dressing, and as always, you can make more or less just depending on how many servings that you guys want. Now, this is going to be super, super quick. We're literally just going to use 1 little measuring cup to put everything in and whisk it all on together, and that's literally it. I don't use typically like an actual dressing thing. I just use my measuring cup, just it has a spout and it's easy for me to use. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I have my olive oil here and I have my red wine vinegar right here. Now we're going to add in our dried oregano, our garlic powder, our mustard if I can find my mini spatula, our honey, our salt, our pepper, and our freshly squeezed lemon juice. So I'm just going to go ahead and start squeezing. So let's take the other one, because we're going to need a whole one here. Now, I always say fresh is best, so you can go ahead and use something like this, but just normal fresh lemons straight like this are just going to be better. It's just going to be less acidic and way more flavorful for you guys. Okay, we're just going to pour this right inside. Alright, now we get the skin. You should have something that looks like this. Ooh, it smells so good. Awesome. Now you can let this sit in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. That's just how long it usually lasts for me. Maybe not even, maybe 2 to 3. I've never had it sitting in there for longer, so that's just what I recommend to leave it in the fridge for. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some of my pasta salad from the other day. I'm going to add some feta cheese right on top. And I'm going to add some fresh parsley or oregano, whatever it is that you have. And I'm going to add in some of our dressing. Okay, now it's time to try some. Looks so good. So good, you guys. I love the combination always of lemon and olive oil, and those spices and the fresh lemon really, really taste amazing. Now, you don't have to be Greek to like Greek dressing, and like I said, You can use this with any kind of pasta salad or salad that you want. It's really going to work great. There's no crazy ingredients here that are really going to stick out and just be like, ugh, that's not going to work. Well, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.